on.
Yeah.
Eyes on.
Yeah.
Eyes on.
Yeah.
Bri. Zon.
Yeah.
Zon come foul. Asawana.
Wana.
Asawana.
Wana.
Asawana.
Wana.
Asanda.
Yefa.
Bema omete ya oma.
Yefa.
Ana muwa boafa. Quickly. It is a clear message to the general public and to the Ijaw ethnicity at large that I, leader Itemowe Ebimobowe, leader and founder Supreme Egbesu Congress, aka King Ebi Marin alias Timpele, one of the Chambi.
Answer. Yeah. Answer. Yeah. So coming back over. Yeah.
Hereby I want to inform the Ijaw ethnicity that the National Congress of the Supreme Egbesu Congress is forthcoming and will be held in Bayelsa in April 2026.
Asawana! Asawana!
And I also want to use this medium to pass a very clear message to the federal government of Nigeria, especially to the president of Nigeria, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, that you are one person that have been an enemy to the Ijaw nation. You promised in campaigns that you are going to give Nigerians light, that if you don't give Nigerians light, at the end of your first term, nobody should vote for you. And so shall it be. That notwithstanding, I want to use this medium to tell you, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, that you, as the president and former presidents and military administrators, have succeeded in impoverishing the Niger Delta region in past time and even in present, and even the Niger Delta region as a whole. You have succeeded in past times in writing constitutions and forcing constitutions upon our people, mostly the Ijaw ethnicity, imposing constitutions which says all mineral resources in Nigeria belong to the federal government, will be managed by the federal government. And then the Niger Delta region, we are the owners, bona fide owners of this crude oil. It became a national cake, but yet we are being marginalized. We are being deterred as a people. We are being deterred, we are being marginalized of our personal rights, economical rights, and even social rights, thereby deprived from our own natural resources. But yet there is no development in our land, no good schools, no good hospital, no youth empowerment, no women empowerment, no old and young empowerment. Leaving our people in abject poverty and total penury. And it is a time that we have come to say enough is enough. You have succeeded in buying off most of our stakeholders from the Niger Delta region, mostly the Ijaw ethnicity, by giving them contracts in order to set confusion in our midst. But if it may interest you to know, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, I want you to know, your Senate to know, even your reps to know, that makes of the federal government of Nigeria to know, that the time which you deprive us from our God-given resources has come to an end. Bola Ahmed Tinubu, you have all due time to restructure Nigeria. Senate President Godswill Akpabio, it is a duty, it is a call to duty now from the Supreme Egbesu Congress. It is a mother body of all Ijaw youths of all Egbesu believers and worshippers, cutting across the length and breadth of the Niger Delta from Akwa Ibom Cross River down to Ondo State, the western, central, and eastern zones of the Supreme Egbesu Congress, guarding all the joy youths in it. We have come together and we have come to put an end to this long suffering. This pain, this agony, this suffering, this poverty you have kept us in, while you use our God-given resources as a national cake to develop northern areas of Nigeria to enjoy and also siphon. A time has come for you to put a stop to this marginalization. Oil companies, the IOCs, are in our communities, are in our local, are in our environs. They are in our environs taking our national resources. And yet, there is nothing to prove, there is nothing to show that we are the bona fide owners, that we are the host communities. Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Restructure Nigeria, adopt a system of true federalism, that every region should control their resources and pay tax to the central, which is the federal government. This is our demand. Let the Niger Delta region control its God-given resources. Enough is enough. The Supreme Egbesu Congress will be holding our national congress, and we have given a time, April 2026.
Eyes on. Come on.
I know there are some people out there who will say this will create content. I am not a social media person. If you are seeing me as a Niger Delta, it is a wake-up call to every youth across the Niger Delta ethnicities. Than Orobo, Isoko, Ijo, Ishakiri, stand up to your right. Our God-given resources is our right. You cannot declare our resources as a national cake and keep and allow Zamfara State to mine their gold. Mining of gold in Zamfara State is not illegal, but oil bunkering is illegal. I am not in support of oil bunkering, but since the federal government of the day have refused to look into the cries and the plight of the people who are the owners of these things, you left the people of the region with no option than to do otherwise. But henceforth, it is a duty for you, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and your Senate to put yourself together, go in a closed door meeting, and pass to bill, adopt the system of true federalism, and allow the Niger Delta region to control its resources and pay tax to the federal government, which is the central. If you pay deaf ear to it, if you see it as a joke, it is the era and it is the time for us to take our rights with our hands. We will not say further much. We have come to the end of this discussion. Bola Ahmed Tinubu, adopt true federalism. Let the Niger Delta Republic control our resources and pay tax to the central. But if you fail to do, we will not say further much. But resource control we will have by enemies necessary.